XRP, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis, since the price was within here, we have been looking for the reversal. And I mentioned I want to see the breakout of the 86 cent. All right. And since the price was within here, we mentioned the way it's reversing is very corrective. And even we mentioned we can expect this one tend to flat in relative to this for the next drop. As we can see, the price couldn't break 86. And we had the opportunity for sell from here. And this is what we get. And whoever got the trade for sell from here, because we mentioned any trade for sell is a short term, right? If they want to keep the trade, move their stop loss to break even. And from what we right now, we see from here, we can look for buy, right? We're more interested to look for buy rather than the sell, because if we move to daily chart, we mentioned we're looking at this one as a correct flat in relative to this, and this is what we're looking as a long term. And if we get an opportunity for buy, we will take it. And with the breakout of 1.42, we're looking for 1.65 following by 2. All right. But as we know, the price can consolidate here for longer time before we see the reversal, because if we move to forward chart, the best things was if the price could break this correction. That means we see the price confirm drop some more. We see the breakout of this correction, and especially if the price could take the lowest price of this. All right, because with the breakout of this correction, we can confirm we are done with this correction. Then any reversal from there, we take the trade as a long term. As we can see, the price almost near to the lowest price of this correction, but there was no breakout. That's why if we get any reversal, any opportunity for buy within this range, we can consider in relative to this. That's mean as a short term, unless we see the continuation and the price could break at the top. Then from there, we can look for long term. But that's why we mentioned if we get any opportunity for buy, since the price was within here, and even when we see the reversal, we mentioned if we want to look for the reversal as a long term, we have to see the breakout of this one, right? Now, whether this one is going to drop, I don't think so. At this point, we are really interested to look for sell, because almost at the lowest price of this correction. From now, we are more interested to look for buy. Any opportunity for buy, we'll take it, but we need to see the breakout of this correction. All right. No one see what's the next. And based on forward chart, we don't have any trade set up either for buy or sell. If this one turns to a deeper correction, we can look for the next. And this is the best, as I mentioned before, because we want to see the breakout of this correction before we look for the reversal. And if I move to 1 hour chart, at this point, we are not really interested to look for sell, and I'm considering this one relative to this. If I get any opportunity for buy, I will take it. If I see the continuation as a sharp move, we will keep the trade. Then from there, we want to see whether the price can break 86 cents or not. But if the price continue as a corrective move, then we just take out the trade. Then from there, we look for the next drop. Whether we should look for sell or not, we have to consider later, because as I mentioned, we don't want to see that the lowest price of this bigger, when we're looking at the bigger picture based on forward chart, we're looking at the correction. We don't want to sell at the bottom of the correction, right? Anyway, if we get any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.